Hey, how's it going, subscribers? Welcome back to another brand new video from the Flaming Profits YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about a possible stock market crash. So in case you didn't know, we had a very red day in the stock market today. We haven't dropped this much in one single day since last year in December, and this was the biggest drop of 2019 in the S&P 500 and the Dow Jones, which is the biggest indices that tell us how the market is doing overall. I'm going to explain to you why a stock market crash is not a bad thing, why the stock market going down in the short term is not a bad thing whatsoever. So it's nothing to be scared of, and I'm going to be teaching you exactly why. And if you're new here, I would highly recommend you to subscribe. We make amazing content on different aspects of how you can profit and why making profits is beneficial to your financial life. And we use the investing brokerage called Robinhood. This is the best brokerage that you can use because they charge you no commission. You can use that link. I'll also have it in the description so that you can sign up and start using Robinhood to invest in the stock market. Also, Mercari, my favorite selling and buying platform, $10 off your first purchase. So I got the opportunity to be interviewed for a Young Hustlers episode by a YouTuber named 4-Eyed Hustler. He made a video with me where we talked a little bit about stock market investing, as well as many of you don't know, but I used to sell on eBay. And look,
Pretty sad
take a look.
because I was, like I said,
What's up, hustlers? This is Paul, the Ford Hustler, back
hey,
with the
Jason.
second live stream. We got Jason. Say hi, Jason.
Hi.
What's up,
How are y'all doing?
Paul, the Ford Hustler, back
Hey,
with the second live stream. Hold on. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, that's good. Good. All right. So we have episode 2 of Young Hustlers. My goal for this episode is to interview 100.
Then it also adds to your buying power. So every time you take a profit, like in eBay or PayPal, that can control you or set limits on you or even ban you from the platform. So that's something that I really like about it. But overall, in the long run, the stock market makes you money. So that's why it's very important that you focus on the long-term aspect. But like I said, if you're really interested in investing in stocks and it's something that you want to learn more about, like drug problems to being insanely successful, billionaires, billions of dollars. So there's no reason why we can't do it as well. Don't be intimidated by others. You're always your only competition. So yeah, it's a crazy world. There's a lot of challenges. You're gonna have sleepless nights. It's definitely not an easy road, and we're definitely taking the hard path. But also, like Dave Ramsey says, we're living like no one else, so that later we can live and give like no one else. We're paying the price right now, so that later on we can live a fulfilling life that we can say that we built with our own hands, and we weren't spoon-fed by any. Make sure that if it has that option, pretty much most successful day traders usually trade.
Yeah, there we go. So just search 4-Eyed Hustler and you'll be able to find that video where he interviewed me. I talk a little bit about how I started my entrepreneurial journey through selling on eBay. In case you didn't know, I used to sell on eBay and I actually did pretty well, but eventually I ended up being banned. I got to the point where I was paying for my apartment and my bills for 3 months just from the profits from my eBay business. But unfortunately, I made a deadly mistake that costed me my entire eBay business. So if you're interested on this story, make sure you search 4-Eyed Hustler, subscribe to him. He makes eBay content and Amazon selling as well. And you'll be able to see that interview that he had with me. Alright, so now let's go ahead and get to the video. So here we have the S&P 500 ETF, VOO, Vanguard, probably my favorite stock because it simply allows you to invest into 500 companies all at once just by you owning an individual share. And this one also has a dividend payment every single 3 months. So it's a great way to be diversified in your overall portfolio. And as you see today, yesterday we had a huge sell-off. It's insane how much it went down in one single day. Normally this does not happen. So this could be a sign that the market's very uncertain. There's actually 4 main reasons why this is happening right now. We're having a lot of uncertainty in the market and the future of the economy, and this is normal. We've been through this in the past and economic crises that we had before. And also, this is the earnings seasons we're going through right now, and some companies are not reporting good earnings like they used to. So this is kind of tanking the market right now. There's also a lot of political uncertainty when it comes down to what future president we're going to have and how that's going to affect the economy overall. And also, a recession is pretty much overdue. It's been statistically proven that we have a recession every 7 to 10 years, and we've gone like 2-3 years past that. So this is definitely not normal. It almost seems like it's inflated artificially, and we're pretty much overdue a recession anytime soon, statistically speaking. So yeah, for these 3-4 reasons, that's why the stock market is reacting the way it is right now. But the main point I'm trying to make with this video is that a stock market crash is actually a good thing, because this allows for you to be able to profit more from investing in the stock market overall. If we don't have these downturns in the market, you wouldn't be able to make money. Money is made from a drastic price from stock being low to now it being high, and this allows this to happen. So you should always want the stock market to crash as long as it will go up, which it will, because like I said, focusing on the bigger picture, the S&P 500 has always grown. It does have times when it goes down in value, but it always tends to recover. So I would just continue buying even more heavier now that the stock market is a little bit cheaper, discounted. Take advantage of cheap shares now that they're cheap, but they might go down in the short term as well. So stock prices might continue to go down, but as long as you're continually buying as it goes down, and buy more right now that it's going down than what you did before when the market was up, you should be able to profit immensely from this stock market crash that we're experiencing. We're not fully in yet, but we're starting to begin the stages of it, and it might be like a big recession coming soon. So I would just continue buying like always, but just buy a little bit more heavy. That's my plan as well. So let me know if you enjoyed this video. I know it was pretty short and straight to the point, but it's a very simple subject, and it's very simple to understand as well. So I hope you got the message. There's a free link for investing in Robinhood. You get a free share as soon as you sign up. Please go check out that video if you're interested. Search up 4-Eyed Hustler, subscribe to him, and watch that video if you're interested a little bit more about my journey, what got me into stock market and investing, how I did my eBay business, and how you can sell online as well. So thank you all so much for joining me today. I'll see y'all in the next video. Please make sure you subscribe, like this video, comment. Let me know what your plan is to take advantage of the stock market crash that we're going through right now. Let me know what you think about the future aspect of the economy. What's going to affect it? Are we going to end up positive? What do you think is going to happen? Let me know in the comment section down below. Thank you all so much for joining me. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.